support Pakistan beyond imagination, provided we are ready to accept this challenge and stand up and say no to those hackneyed techniques of the past, procedures which have failed Pakistan in many ways, policies undesirable. I think you isn't surprised to know that Pakistan 20 years ago or 30 years ago was its capabilities to train our Saudi brothers walks of life. I can assure you, my brothers and sisters, without any fear of contradiction, that Saudi Arabia today is far more experienced and has immense potential of experts to train Pakistani brothers and sisters in various walks of life. If you don't change, time does not wait for you, wait for none. So I think these are the challenges which for, and if we really want to this opportunity, then we have to work like now our brothers and sisters are working in Saudi Arabia. Some of you might feel that I am daydreaming, telling you stories which don't exist. No, what I'm saying is absolutely reality which I have seen and observed in myself. And they are ready to support us all the way to the hills. And I'm very happy to hear from His Excellency, my brother Ibrahim bin Yusuf Al-Mubarak, that B2B interactions have been most productive. Now I want to make it very clear, ladies and gentlemen, it is not the business of the government to do business. Our job is to offer policy frame. Our job is catalyst to make things happen and remove hurdles in the way for speedy achievement of it. And I want to assure you that in that we are fully resolved, and as you know, I want to say it even at the cost of reputation, that is the vehicle, a very robust, all-encompassing vehicle to undertake all these important projects in the people of Pakistan and to our mutual benefits. We want investment from our brothers in Saudi Arabia and Pakistan. They should make profits without any problem, repat their income back to Saudi Arabia, and vice versa. If we provide a mechanism which is free of trouble, free of bureaucratic hurdles, impediments, then I can assure you his very dynamic, visionary leadership, which has today placed Saudi Arabia amongst the most progressive societies around the globe. Economy, one of the fastest growing economy. Infrastructure, the most latest in the world. And transport facilities, unbelievable. Job opportunities in abundance, and investments in India and other parts of the country, of the world, is phenomenal.